A specific division we were doing, right?
Ma'am, whole number.
Whole numbers.
Yeah, decimal by whole number. So today we'll do decimal by a decimal number. Okay.
Ma'am, but you didn't give question for whole number.
No, I'll teach both and then we'll do mixed questions. Okay. Both the types of division we'll do. So first I'll teach both the methods and then we'll do division. So that any type of question you can do. Now we have already done division by the division of decimal by a whole number. Today we'll do division of decimal by a decimal number. Okay. So division of decimal number by a decimal number. Okay, so this is our topic. We have already done this decimal by a whole number. So usme you just started with division. Okay, यहाँ पे suppose I have a question 2.5 divided by 0.15. Okay, now my first step step 1 is this is your divisor. I'm writing it in this form. Actually, this is this 2.5 divided by 0.15. Okay, this is your question. Question is written in this form or in this form also. So this can be written like this in fraction. You know, divisor can be written in the denominator. So step 1 is your divisor cannot be decimal. So change divisor into whole number. Okay, so how will I change divisor into whole number? My first thing is because I cannot have a decimal divisor. Divisor is 0.15. Okay, so how can I change this divisor into whole number? I can write this in the form of fraction 2.5.
You can move the decimal.
I can move the decimal, but I cannot move the decimal on my
you can
own.
multiply it by, then you have to multiply it by 100, ma'am. You have to see how
Yes.
many digits are there after the decimal. If there are two,
Yes,
then
so I will check how many digits are there after decimal. So how many digits in the divisor, not in the dividend.
Multiplied by 100.
So I will so I have to shift 2 decimal digits. So for shifting 2 digits to the right, I need to multiply by 100 because 2 digits I have to shift. So 2 zeros should be there. You know that it shifts right when I multiply with 100. So because I'm multiplying the denominator with 100, you know, in fraction, whatever we do in the denominator, same thing we have to do in the numerator also. So I will have to multiply with 100 in the numerator also. Now what will be my answer in the numerator? 2.5 into 100. What is it?
2.50
divided by 15.
Divided by 15. Now this becomes very easy because this is a normal division. I can do it by lowest form also. Okay, I can do by lowest form also. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25 and 0. Okay, so this is 50 by 3. So 50 by 3 can be divided like this. Smaller number ho gaya. So it is now 50 divided by 3. How will you divide? 3 ones are 3. Denominator is
Ma'am, it's like we are putting it in mixed fraction.
not mixed fraction, it is decimal. So we have to find the answer in
And we
decimal.
can make it into lowest form, right? And then also
So I did it in the lowest form, 50 by 3. And now I have to divide. So this is 20. So 3 6 are 18. After 18, what will I do? 2. You don't have anything else. So I'll put a decimal over here. And instead of decimal, you put a 0 over here. Because no
Ma'am,
number.
again 6 will come.
Ma'am, bar. Ma'am, 6 bar. 6 bar.
Yes.
6
So
bar,
you are
ma'am.
getting same thing, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So the answer is 16.6 bar. Okay, it is a recurring decimal number, repeating decimal number. So 16.6 bar is the answer when I divided 2.5 divided by 0.15. Now, if something else, I'm giving you another question. How will we do this question? Now, second question. Here, those who already know, just be quiet, let others understand. Okay, my question is 0.15 divided by 1.2. Okay. Means actually the question is 0.15 divided by 1.2. So this is your question.
Ma'am, sorry, but
So
I
I
had
will.
a,
Yes, Abdullah.
I
You have a
had a,
doubt?
yes, ma'am. In the last question, you
Huh?
then when you got 2, then you took that 0 up from there, like it was 3, and then you uh, it was something. Then you got 2
It
from
was
it.
50 by 3, right? It was this one. So
Ma'am,
3 1
you got
3 I did.
2
5
from it.
minus 3 is 2. 0 came down.
Ma'am.
3 6.
Now 0 came. Ma'am. Then you did again. Then you got 2 again.
But I don't have
Then
any
again.
0 over here. So that is why I'll put a decimal over here. And instead of decimal, I'll put a 0 over here. After putting decimal, I can put 0 on my own and I won't do anything over here. Just put 3 6 18. So, and 2 again. So this 0 on my own. 3 6. So this goes
Now
on.
it keeps on repeating.
Yes, so it keeps on repeating. So you can do like that. Okay. Now, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So first decimal you are putting instead of 0, and then next it goes on. Okay. 0 afterward 0 will go on as it is. Now
Ma'am,
0.15.
can you give me one question?
Let us do this first. We'll understand and then we'll do questions. Okay. 0.15 divided by 1.2. So that means this should be in the denominator. Don't do the reverse thing. Okay. 0.15 को denominator में नहीं डालना है. The divisor should be in the denominator. So how will I write 0.15 upon 1.2? Now what will I do? Anas, what will I do here?
And we
What
will
was
1.2 multiply by 100.
By
Minus.
100, I just need one decimal shift. So one decimal shift. So what number should I
10.
multiply?
10.
Only 10.
You will always multiply the
And
denominator
up
first. Right?
also 10, ma'am.
Yeah, always
guys.
multiply the denominator first, because I need, see, numerator can be in decimal, but denominator cannot be in decimal. So I have to remove only the denominator ka part. Okay. So what is the answer over here? 1.5, and here it is 12.
1.5, 12.
12. Now divide
So we
1.5
will divide
and 12. Now 1 will
12
not go.
ones are 12.
So yeah, so 15 I have to take, but 15 ke beech mein you have points, so I'll put a point.
0 point.
Okay, so point, and 12 ones are 12. Now 15 minus 12 is how much? 3. Decimal already there, so the next 0 comes on, means on its own it will come. So 12, now
12 twos are
24. What is the denominator? Sorry, 6, not 8. So 30 minus 4 is 6. Again 0, and then
12 fives are
5s are 60. So your answer is 0.125. Is it clear, everyone? Rashda, Ibrahim, Muhammad, Muhammadi.
Ma'am,
Humda?
can you tell this division again? I did not
Yes.
understand.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did not understand the division. Yes, in the table
This division, okay, let me do it once again. First step is clear to everyone. You have to check the divisor. Okay, so suppose my question is 2.253 divided by 1.5. Okay, now this is actually, question will be written like this. I'm just writing, I'm doing the answer first. So this is your question. Okay, question will be like this. So you will write it in this form first. When you write in this form, you first check the denominator. Now how many digits are there after decimal? Because I need to convert it into whole number. I cannot have a decimal divisor. Okay, dividend can be in decimal, but divisor cannot be in decimal. So convert 1.5 into 15.
Ma'am, multiplied by 10.
So I will multiply by 10. So since I'm multiplying the denominator by 10, what will I do in the numerator? I'll again multiply by 10 in the numerator also. So numerator is now one decimal shift to right, which is 22.53. and in the denominator you have 15. Okay, I cannot do the lowest form, so I will start dividing. So I can do the lowest form. 3 se cancel hoga, but let it be. I'll divide it and show it to you. 5, 3, and divided by 15. Okay, so 22, it will go 15 how many
Ones
times? Ones are 15. Okay, so 22 minus 15 is how much? 7.
7.
7,
7.
ma'am.
Now, after that, decimal is there. So I'll put a decimal over here, and the next number will come down, which is 75. So how much is 75?
3s are
No, not 3.
15 threes are
15, na? 15. 15, how many times is 75?
Ma'am, 5 are.
Yes. So 15 fives are 15 fives are is 75. You get a 0 remainder. So you will now next number, next digit is 3. Okay. Now 3 will not go 3 will not go by 15. Okay. So you will
Yes,
Uh,
I will put 0 and then 15 twos are.
yes, and you will put a 0 over here, and then you will put a 0 over here, because I'm putting two numbers together over here, 3 and 0. So you'll put a 0, and then it comes out to be 15 twos are 30. So your
Ma'am,
answer is yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Why do you have to put a 0 above and then below? Because from the first only we have the decimal, so you can put the 0. Right?
Yeah, you have already you have a decimal, but you have brought 3 down. Like 3 will not go by 15, right? So you are putting two numbers together. I'm bringing two numbers together, right? 3 and 0. You can
Okay.
only put 1 0 on your own. Okay, but here you are putting 3 also and 0 also together. So when you are bringing two digits down, you have to put a 0 in the quotient. Is it clear? So that is why we did that. Another question, suppose another question, I'm 0.572 divided by Munib. Munib is very quiet today. Ibrahim is very quiet. Muhammadi is quiet. What happened?
Ma'am, I did not hear you. Can you explain again? My internet was gone.
So that is why I'm asking why people are very quiet. Are you there in the class or not? So if you don't understand, please ask.
Ma'am, I am there, but I did not hear.
Okay, so I'm doing
I
it
did
again.
not hear.
Now listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question is, Rashda,
The
is it clear to you?
inside
Did you hear? Rashda, did you hear? what
Yes,
I
ma'am.
explained? Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question I'm doing 0.572. Rashda, tell me 0.572 divided by 1.2. What will I do over here? What will be my first step?
You'll multiply both of them by 10.
Correct. I'll multiply both of them by 10. Why? Because my denominator, I have to make it into whole number. So for making it into whole number, I have to shift one decimal, right? How can I do that? By multiplying it with 10. So in the numerator also, I'll multiply with 10, and I'll get in the numerator 5.72 and in the denominator 12. Okay. Now divide 5.72 by 12. Ibrahim, now pay attention. Now 5 will not go by 12, so you will have to take 57. Now 57, you have a decimal in between, so I'll put the decimal. And 12, how many times? 57?
12, ma'am, 12 fours are
Yes. 12 fours are 48. So 57 minus 48 is how much? 9. Okay. So one number will come down, which is 2. Now how many times it will go?
8, ma'am, 7 times.
Not 8.
Ma'am, it will become 96.
Yes.
8 will go 7
Yes.
times.
7 times. So it will go 7 times. 7 times is how
84.
much?
84.
84. 92 minus 84. 12 minus
8.
4, how much is it?
8.
8. So 8 aa gaya. Now see, Abdullah. Now nothing you are going to bring over, nothing is there. So you'll put a 0 on your own. Only 1 0 I'm bringing, okay, not 2 zeros. If I put 2 zeros now, I'll put a 0 over here. So I'm bringing only 1 0. Now how many times it will go? 6 are 72. Again, I'll get a 0. Again, I'm getting 6. So it goes on, right? So that means the answer is 0.47 and 6 ke upar.
Smart.
Ma'am, I did not understand. Like I understood the division, but
This one
question
you have
was 0.572.
divided
Yes,
by
ma'am. I
1.
did not understand that one.
Okay, I'm giving you
Yes,
another.
how come we get the dividend and the divisor? How come we get that?
See, fraction is whatever fraction, if I'm writing 2 by 3, na, it is actually 2 divided by 3. Fraction can be written like that in divisor form also, and ratio form also. It can be written as like this also. Okay. So all these three things have same value. 2 by 3 can be written as 2 divided by 3. It can also be written as 2 is to 3. Okay. So all these three things are the same thing. So if I give you a question like, my question is 1.257 divided by 0.5, okay? My question is this. So I can write this question in the form of fraction because I have to multiply the numerator and then I have to make it into whole number. So I can write this question into numerator and denominator. Only thing is your divisor should be in the denominator and dividend should be in the numerator. Now I cannot divide a decimal number by a decimal number. So I have to convert this decimal divisor into whole number. Is it clear, Ibrahim? So how will I convert it into a whole number? I have to shift one decimal in this case.
Yes.
So I'll multiply with 10 in the numerator and denominator. So now my
And
question
always
is,
we have to multiply with 10 only.
no, if two digits are there, if I had given you 0.52, so then
It
it
would be
will be,
100.
yes, it
100,
would
right? And then if it would be 3, then it would be
be 10, it would
thousands.
be 1,000. Yes, like
Okay, ma'am.
I'm showing you smaller question, so that is why I'm giving you one decimal ka question. So it is now 12.57 divided by 5. Now you divide 12.57, 12.57. So 5 twos are 10. 2 is the remainder now is a decimal. So in the quotient, you will have a decimal. 5 is going to come down. So 5 5s are 25. Now 7 comes down. Here it is 0. So 7 comes down. So 5 ones are 5. 2 is the remainder. Now nothing is there. So put 0.
0.
5
And
4s
4
are 20. So you have a 0. So now your answer is 2.514. So if you divide this to
But
this
ma'am,
question,
0.5 multiplied by 10. So how come the denominator came 5?
we have done the decimal multiplication. It shifts to right, one decimal right, 1 0 1 right digit.
Yes, ma'am.
You divide
But
it, it shifts to
like,
left.
it comes 5 by 10.
अरे 5 by 10 कैसे होगा? It अगर ये 5 by 10 है, 0.5 is 5 by 10. Into 10 करोगे तो 5 ही आएगा ना?
Yes, sorry, I forgot. Sorry.
We have done the shortcut method, decimal multiplication, shifting to right equal to the number of zeros. Remember, Ibrahim?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the rule we are using. Okay. Now everyone has understood this. Everyone, the decimal division.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, I understood.
Okay. Now we'll do questions and you will understand. More questions I'm giving you from the slide, and then you see how do we do these questions.
Ma'am, do we have to do in notebook?
Notebook, yes, do it in the notebook. Okay. Now see, first question is simple. 1.69 divided by 1. So you will get same only. What will be the answer? Tell me. It is very easy.
1.69.
Yes, answer will be 1.69 only. So first answer done. Second also clear. Second also the same thing. Okay. Now coming to the third question. Third question is, your question is, yeah, third question is, Actually 10.69 divided by 0.4. Now what will I do? Muhammadi, tell me what will be my first step?
Ma'am, you will have to put it like that, like in fraction like. First
So
will
tell me
come-
what will be the fraction.
First is 10.69 upon 0.4.
Yes. Then
Then you will check how many digits are there after a point.
how many
One
are
only
there?
digit. So then
So
you will
what-
write 0.4 multiplied by 10. And you will
Yes.
also do it with the
Numerator. What will be the final fraction?
I'm going with me.
Only one digit you have to shift. Do it directly. Into 10.
Oh.
10.69 into 10. Shift to right.
So then
Shift to right.
106.9.
106.9. And what is the denominator? 4. Okay.
4.
Now divide it. Now tell me the whole answer you have to give me, Muhammadi. Yeah, 4 how many times?
4 so 2 is 8.
4 2s are 8. Remainder?
2.
2. What will...
And you will put 6 down.
Yes. Then?
And then 4 4 are 16. And no, 4 5 are 24. 4 6 are 24.
Yes. 4 6 are 24. Then?
And then 6 4 4 2 will come.
2. Then in the quotient?
And then
26.72.
you will put a point. Ma'am, you will put a point in the quotient. And then
And
you
I'll
will take
put
9
Oh my God.
Yes.
and 9
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
and then 12.
I'm also done.
Ma'am,
7.
12.
4 sevens are
12
28.
and then 26. 28. And then you will get 1.
Then?
And then you will put a 0 in the quotient.
Yes. So
And
4
then
2.
you put a 0 over here also. And 4 2s are
Not
10.
0 over here. I'll put a 2. 4 2s are 8. Then 2.
Oh.
Then another 0. 4
Ma'am, it's a
5.
bar.
No, it will not come. Answer is 26.725.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I understood, but you added after 29 minus 28, you added a 0 on your own.
Yeah, because decimal is already there. So you will put afterwards, you will keep on adding 0 on your own. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
That is the way you have to do. Okay. So question number 3 done. Question number 4, Ibrahim, you try now. Question number 4. And question number 5, Rashida will do. Question number 6, Anas will do. So keep doing your question in your notebook. I'll come to you and you just give me the steps. Okay. Coming to Ibrahim. Tell me, how will I write this question? 12 point, this is your question. 12.1. 12.1 divided by 0.2. How will I write this?
Yes, ma'am. First, you will write in numerator, you will write 12.1.
Yes.
And in denominator, you will write 0.2.
Yes. Then?
And then you will multiply them by 10. So 2 will come, and then 121 will come.
Okay. Now divide.
Yeah, so 121 will come, yeah, here. 2 6 are 12. Then 12 minus 2 0. Then 1 will come down, and then we
But
will
how-
add a 0.
You
We
will
will
add
add a 0.
here and here also, because, and then a decimal. Because see, because one you
But
are
ma'am,
bringing
you told
down,
not over there in the previous question.
first time you have to add decimal. Na? Here no decimal is there. So first 0 will be added with decimal. After that you can put on your own. Is it clear, Ibrahim?
Okay.
First decimal
Okay, ma'am.
will be with 0, and then afterwards now it is what? 2 5s are 10, so you're getting
2
the answer.
5s are 10. So minus 0 0. So the answer is 60.5.
Yes, answer is 60.5. Next one. Huh. So next one, whose name I told? Rashta, na? Fifth one, Rashda, and sixth one, Anas. So tell me. And seventh one, Humaira will do, and eighth one, Munib will do. So keep your numbers. Remember your numbers. Now, question number 5 is 18.16 divided by 0.5. So what will be the answer?
Which
How
one
will
am
I-
I?
Yes, Rashda.
Which one am I supposed to do?
Fifth one. Tell me, we are doing it over here.
18.16 goes in the numerator, and 0.5 goes in the denominator, and then we multiply it by 10.
Okay. What is
So,
answer?
5 and 181.6.
Okay. Now dividing 181.6 divided by 5. Okay, tell me. Quotient?
I've got that.
I got a 6 also.
3,
3, 15,
18
89. Yes,
equals
3,
3.
1 comes over here. Then
Then 6,
13, then 1. Then what will happen in the quotient?
you put a
Point.
yeah,
Okay. And then 6 will be here. Then
and then
What was
3,
the question, ma'am? Which question?
5 is a 15.
Ma'am, answer is 36.32.
Yes, answer is 36.32. Now see,
I
Rashda, how
got the next one.
the answer is 36.32. On a sixth question. Sixth is very easy. You just have to multiply, you'll get the answer.
Yeah, ma'am. Sixth one, 0.2.
21 point.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we will write 2
0.19 divided by 0.1. Then,
and we will do multiply by 10, multiply by 10.
yeah.
And we will get 21.9 and 1. 21.9.
So answer is 21.9 only. Simple answer. You don't need to divide. You divide any number by 1, you will get the same number. So answer is 21.9. Here also same. Seventh one. Whose name I told? Humaira? Humaira 0.1.
I think it's Munib or Humaira.
Munib, na? Munib is 8th. Na? Munib, are you there in the class today? I have not heard you also.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Okay, seventh one, Munib, you tell. 0.32 divided by 0.1.
Ma'am, I did not do this one. This one will be 3.2, ma'am. Into
So
10
you
into 10.
into
And
10.
then 3.2 upon 1 is equal to 3.2 only.
So answer is 3.2. Humaira, 8.4.
Ma'am, I had to
You
do
only tell.
8 and she had to do 7.
Okay, fine. You tell.
Ma'am,
Eighth one.
it will be into 10 and 84 by 6.
You can do
And
over
then-
here this one
And then
also.
the next one you will do, it will be 42 by 3.
2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Yeah, 42 by 3. Now divide 42 by 3.
Then 3 ones are 3.
Hmm.
Minus 1. Bring 2 down. 4s are 12. 14 is the answer.
Yes. So answer is 14. Whole number you are getting. So this answer. Yes, Humaira, can you hear me?
Ma'am, what about point, ma'am?
In this question, you're not getting point. You can get a whole number as answer also because you got
Okay,
zero denominator, na? Zero remainder.
Because,
So,
ma'am, this is dividing by decimal whole number.
so you're getting you can get whole number quotient also. Okay, not necessarily you will get this thing. Yes, Humaira. Ninth question. All of you are doing the questions or not? Anybody has completed all the question? Anyone has completed? See, this is for your practice. Do it in the class. Humaira, are you there? 5.7 divided by 0.6. Okay, Humaira is not responding.
Ma'am,
Amina, can you tell me?
Ma'am, for the 8 one, the answer is 14, no?
Yes. Amina, how will we do? After Amina, who will do? After Amina, Abdullah, and after Abdullah, Yahya will do.
Ma'am, you
Yeah,
will
Ma'am,
one.
after
So it will
Yahya.
be 57 divided by 6.
Ma'am, I will do the 11th one, no?
Yes. After Amina, Abdullah will do. Okay.
The 12th one.
10th one. Now 57 upon 6. Yes, Amina. 6, 57. What will I do?
Ma'am, 6 9s are 54.
Yes. Then 3. Then what will happen?
A 0, ma'am. And 6 5s are 30.
No, but you have to put a decimal now. First 0 will come with the decimal. Okay. First
Yeah.
0 will come with the decimal. So
And
decimal
then 6 5s are 30.
So answer is 9.5. Ninth answer is 9.5. Abdullah, 1.7 and 11.9. Next
Yes, ma'am.
question.
First we will do
Wait, let me write. Yeah. First is 11. We'll write how 11.9 divided by 1.7. Okay. It's not bar. Huh? It is fraction. Now what will we do?
ma'am. Now we will it will be, we will multiply it with 10 and it will become 17 109 17 upon 109.
So how many times it will
Then
do?
we will divide it.
Yeah.
17 divided by 109.
What is the 9th answer?
Ninth answer is 9.5. I have written
Yes.
over.
No, ma'am, you wrote it.
No, it's written. Answers are written here on the left hand side. Okay. Okay. Tell me, Abdullah, how many times it will go? 17 into.
Yes, ma'am. I'm multiplying only.
Sevens are
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, my all questions are done.
all done. It is 17 sevens, Abdullah. Okay. Answer is 7.
But I have a doubt in question number 12.
Okay. I'll come to question number 12. Question number 11, Yahya. Yahya,
Ma'am,
question
I-
number 11.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, huh? 11. First 3.1 divided by 0.4.
What will I multiply?
Yes, 3.1 multiplied by 10 and 0.4 multiplied by 10.
Okay.
And then answer will be 31 divided by 4.
Okay.
Wait, huh, ma'am? 4 sevens are 28
Okay.
minus it will be 3. Then point 30. Again sevens are 28.
Okay.
Then 2. Again 0. 5s are 40. No, 20.
20.
Answer 7.75.
7.75. Okay. Question number 11th answer is 7.75. Who is left now? Everyone has given the answer.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay.
Ma'am,
12.
I want to give the last question.
Last question. Who wants to do? Tell me.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
want to do.
Ma'am,
Okay.
me.
Ma'am, can I do?
Munib has a doubt. Let us see what doubt he has got in 12. So Munib, you will help me out now. Okay.
Yes, okay. Ma'am, this it will be 4.26 upon 0.6 and then you will multiply by 10. It will become 42.6 and by 6.
Okay.
Ma'am, here
Then
I have doubt. You can simplify 42 and 6. Can you
Yes.
simplify? Yes, so
Yes.
it will be 2, 3 are 6 and 2, yes, 21. And then 3 ones are 3.
21.3. 6 is also there now. So 21.3.
Ma'am, which method is this? Acha.
This is lowest form. You can do directly also. Okay.
But
You
ma'am,
can
that
do like
is too easy than this.
Ma'am, I
do
did not.
do this.
Ma'am, I did not simplify 6. I only did for
No, this is
the
together.
42
This whole
and
number is together. So better you do it like this only. Okay. So 6 sevens are 42.
yeah.
Point and 6 will come. So
will
6
come down.
ones are 6. Okay. So
Yeah.
7.1 is the answer for this one. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm erasing now. Should I erase?
Ma'am, did you check my maths assignment? And you told that the fourth and the fifth you'll explain in the class.
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, I'll come to that. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
was only
ma'am,
5
can you,
left. I forgot to say this.
ma'am, can you
Okay.
just show the 12th question?
Which question?
12
Okay.
to see the
12th
12th
one.
question.
Just write down the question. Okay. I
And
need
the
to.
answer is 7.1 of that question, na?
Yeah. 7.1. 0.6. 4.26 divided by 0.6. This is the question.
ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What was your doubt, Ibrahim? Okay. Let me see. Let me show this.
That 3 times multiplication you gave yesterday. 0.1 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 0.1. And
Okay,
the fifth one also.
Okay, let me come to that worksheet and then I'll show you what to do.
Ma'am, which question was wrong? I will do it again.
I have mentioned the question number, Abdullah, in the
Yes, I saw
reply.
it, but I forgot to see it.
Just do it again, okay? You'll get the answer. Which
Which
question
one?
you're talking about? This one.
I was talking about this one
14.
and
So this is very simple. What you have to do,
I'm
here you have,
I was trying 3 times multiplication.
no,
but it was not.
it is 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. So first you do 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. So first you will multiply these two. So which is 1 into 1 is 1. And how many decimal digits? 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. So 0.01 into 0.1. Now how many? 1 into 1 is 1. And how many digits? 1, 2, and 3. So you'll get
0.001.
is the answer. Yes. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, and the fifth one.
Ma'am, for
Fifth
the
one,
12th,
you will have to 15th one, you will have to multiply 2.7 and 8.3. So first multiply this, put decimal digits, and then you multiply 0. Whatever answer you will get, you multiply with 0.0014. That's all. And then count the total number of decimal and shift to left. Is it clear? Ibrahim?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So this way you have to do. Rest everyone also complete your questions. Okay.
ma'am,
Did
ma'am,
you
the
check?
12th,
Did you check mine?
Ma'am, if I submit it tomorrow, is that okay? This question.
Fine. You can submit it. I'll
Ma'am.
slowly one by one. Yeah.
Ma'am, you have an iMac.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
I
you're
have a
using
Mac.
an iMac. Oh,
Yes.
I knew.
How did you look?
Because, ma'am, that cursor was black, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so all of you now complete your homework, and science, we are going to discuss the questions. So just go through the questions, think about the answer. We'll have discussion in tomorrow's class. Okay. And then you write it in your notebook. And if
Ma'am,
you have
the
already just correct it there. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
ma'am, the 12th one answer is 7.1.
Which 12th one? Yes, 7.1. The division one, na? That is 7.1.
Yes.
Okay. So that's all for today's class. See you in tomorrow's
Bye,
class.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.